Welcome, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will explain you how to use Vivo with Linux root FS tarball all on your existing Linux system. And we need to download all the root FS tarballs from Void Linux website, and we need to extract it first using the your chief manager on your system. This already extracted before, so we just need to go into the void linux root fs. So here is it. You can see if the void linux root fs is already extracted, so just need to open the terminal and mount the and type sudo mount o bind proc void linux proc, then press enter. Do the same thing but for do the same thing for sys. Right now, mount dev to void linux Chroot and dev shm. Right. Now the final step is mount the dev bts for the virtual for the terminal emulator support. Now it's time to Chroot to your void linux system. Here is it. Well, we need to update the system first. So xbps-install suv. You don't need sudo anymore because you are operating the Chroot as with root. Well, you will create with this error, or since it tells if it cannot access the void linux repository, but when we type ping 8.8.8.8, it can pinging success. Well, it cannot pinging because there is no, because we need to copy first the etc resolve.conf from the from the host system to the Chroot. Alright, it's done. Well, Chroot again, and you should be able. Now you can see updates is available. Press Y and press enter. Now it can be downloading anything normally from the void linux repository. Now it already updated successfully. Now you can install the sudo package optionally. Well, this is actually useless, but I just do it. Well, we will also need to install XFCE 4 or for the graphical user interfaces. We need to open another terminal for installing the nested on X server. Well, we're going to install xbps, or it's already installed before. AC. We will set the port to 10. We will set the screen resolution to 800 and 600 pixel and press enter. Now you can see the xbps window here. Now you need to export or the display variable to port 10 and type XFCE for session. Now it worked right here. Well, there is a missing fonts right here, and anything should be work normally. Or well, there is missing fonts right here, so we can see what happened right here. So we need to install first the fonts first. Fonts liberation. Well, the command to install the fonts for our Void Linux system is the xbps-install as noto-fonts, noto-fonts-cjk, noto-fonts-ttf-extra. So, hold on a second. Alright, well, noto-fonts is not found in the repository pool. Now we will try this one. Alright. Now it's currently downloading right here. Alright, it installed successfully. We will try to back into our XFCE session. Alright, here is it. I don't know what happened next. Alright, here is it. We will get the fonts working right here. We can get the fonts working. XFCE policy kit agent, we will just ignore or this one. And yeah, open it. Alright, just remove it. Now you can get the working Void Linux system on your existing Linux distribution right here. Yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe me to get the latest video from me. Just press it, it's free. Yep. Thank you for watching my video.